I'm gonna go sleep. Oh!
Yeah, I'm coming for you, Jenna!
Jenna! Guess what, everyone?
What?
We're gonna be playing Paint Wars!
Yes!
And we have my really cool teammate over here, Dalton. We're Team Blue. He's gonna explain to us how to play.
So, we're all equipped with these launchers of color, which I'm sure you're excited about. And we have towels on each end. And these are our goals. And so the goal for each team is to dirty up or get as much color on each other's towels as possible. And at the end of the 10 minutes, we're gonna see whose towel is more colorful, and that'll be the loser. 1, 2, 3, break!
Just as much as possible!
Yes, but this is so
effective!
Jenna!
I was trying to do that.
Physical activity! I'm just letting it happen. Go ahead, Dalton. I give up.
Ah!
You look terrified. I'm gonna go sleep. Oh!
Twofer. No.
Jenna! So as you can see, there are some parts that are missing some paint here. This is all covered up.
This is pretty effective.
It looks like a red towel. It was once blue. I think we can all agree that the red team won. Yeah!
I feel like we were attacked by the Kool-Aid man.
You have a mustache. You look like a little Frenchman.
Thank you so much for watching. No! We love you so much. It's an honor to be here.
Take your punishment!
I
Take
appreciate all of your kindness.
Make sure to like this!
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Leave us a comment if you feel real bad for us.
Or if you want us to play this again.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!